Are you a college student doing your job hunting? Then this announcement is curated for you. Hi, I am Siddharth from Geeks4Geeks. As you know about Job-A-Thon, which is an initiative by Geeks4Geeks to provide full-time or internship opportunities, that too for free. And it's back with its Job-A-Thon 3, which boils down to the fact that it has better opportunities. For those who are not familiar with the registration process and what is it, let me guide you in that. So basically, this is a 2-hour long hiring challenge for freshers interested in job opportunity at one or more of the following companies, and you are suggested to restrict your application to only one company. So basically, this is a 2-hour long hiring challenge for freshers interested in job opportunities at one or more of the following companies. The companies taking part in this are Big O Notation, Kranti Tech Services, Agicent App Company, Healthians, Riskcovry and Neebal Technologies. And after registering for the contest, what you need to do is you need to register for one or more company, and your profile would only be considered for a company you have registered for. And this contest would be held on 21st of January on 8 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST of the same day. Now, this contest consists of 4 parts. Now, let us go through the instruction for the contest. This contest consists of 4 parts. The first part is that there is 2 DSA coding problems with a weightage of 75 marks and 5 MCQ on programming logic, which has a weightage of 25 marks, and 5 MCQ on logical reasoning, which has a weightage of 25 marks again, and 5 MCQ on quantitative aptitude, which 25 marks follows. And only individual participation is allowed in this Job-A-Thon. Language supported are C++, Java and Python. And each submission will be based on our critical test data, not just the sample test case. Now there is a thing known as penalty. Now let us understand what is a penalty. Now suppose there is a 5% penalty for each wrong submission. So if the initial marks of the problem is 100 marks, then the 5% of 100 would make it 5. So 100 minus 5 is equals to 95. Now the next 5% would be the 5% of this 95, that would make it 90.25, and thus would proceed. Now make sure other problems don't have access to your code. And marks of the MCQ type questions are added after the contest is over, so you don't need to panic. Okay, and it is advised to take the sample Geeks challenge to get familiar with the Geeks coding environment if you are giving this contest for the very first time. Now let us look at the first company that is appearing. So the first company is Big O Notation, and they are looking for software engineer trainee, and they are looking for freshers. It is work from home. After a few weeks, the work location would be Noida, and the salary is up to 5 LPA to 5.2 lakhs per annum. And the job description is you would be developing and maintaining web application and mobile devices, sending regular update about project status, well-developed analytical and investigative skills, and performance analysis and optimization. And the requirements are they should have technical background or BCA, MCA or BTech in computer science or IT or experience. They should have knowledge of OOPS concept, and they should have knowledge of DSN algo, and they should possess excellent analytical and logical skill. Okay. Now the next company that is appearing is Kranti Tech Services, and they are looking for software engineer with BTech, MTech or from MCA background, and they are looking for freshers, and the work location would be remote. Okay, and the stipend is 12 to 25,000, and post probation it will be 3.6 to 4.2 LPA. Okay, and the responsibilities that they would be resting upon you is code and test programming for software and mobile apps, develop and deploy computer application, execute code builds to test and production environment, fix bugs in existing code, and collaborate with product and design teams. Okay, and the skills that they prefer are logical bend of mind, capability to program in any one programming language, fundamentals of algorithms and database, and BTech, MTech or MCA from a reputed university. Fair enough. Let's proceed. Now, the next company is looking for software developer trainee, and they're looking for freshers, and the work location would be Noida and it would be work from office. And the stipend provided will be 12,000 to 15,000 for first 6 initial, and post probation it would be 3 LPA. Okay, and the responsibilities that they would be resting upon you is working on cutting edge technologies in iOS, Android and other mobile platforms, and working on either Swift, Java or AngularJS or Node.js or Curl and taking assignments from the technical leads and also from customers and reporting back with the right piece of object and source code. And you must be an MCA of 2001 and 2022 batch, BTech and MTech of 2021 batch from CS and IT, and should be available to join immediately. And the next company is looking for tech intern with an opportunity of PPO, that is post placement offer, and they are looking for freshers, and the job location is Gurgaon, and the stipend would be up to 15,000, and they are looking for graduate or postgraduate in engineering or related stream of IT or software, and they are looking for energetic, innovative, self-motivated with critical thinking ability and complete challenging task. And the desired skills are strong, good coding skills in PHP, MySQL, SVN or Get, Ajax and jQuery. And you should have excellent RDBMS and NoSQL database skills, working experience of Agile and Jira, good understanding of OOPS, working with the development team and senior developers to execute the development task based on the predefined deadlines, and experience in working fast and agile based environment. Okay. And the next company is looking for software engineer, and they are looking for freshers, and the job location is Bangalore, and it gives a salary of 12 up to 12 LPA based on the skill set, and they are looking for people who have a strong bias for action and value over speed over perfection, and they make decision with the ethos. And what will you do? You would be a part of our cross-functional agile development team, helping them on various projects. You would be engaged with all aspects of development, right from design to delivery and support. You will be fully involved with helping to steer best practices and approaches adopted by the team. And you would also have the ability to think creatively and be confident in making decisions. And you would develop solid and well-structured software that will play a key role in the successful delivery of the solution. Okay. Now the next company is looking for trainee software engineer, and they are looking for freshers, and the job location is Mumbai, Nasik, and the salary they are offering is 4.5 LPA to 5.5 LPA, that is lakhs per month. And your responsibilities would be to understand business problems and develop technical solution, to learn and adapt to new technologies quickly, ready to walk that extra mile when the team needs, and able to carve out your own path rather than just be a follower, and staying on top of the latest technologies and advancement in the team. Now the skill set that they would prefer are having good knowledge of core Java language, Spring or Hibernate, solid understanding of data structures, algorithms, network communication and databases, knowledge of how internet works and curious to know about, and knowledge about latest trends and technologies and understanding of the same, and is passionate about technology and able to learn and adopt best practices. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.